joined by Elijah from Rousselot. Hi there.
Hello, hi.
Could you start by telling us a bit about what Rousselot is doing at the show this year?
Rousselot is the global leader for collagen and gelatin supplier. And today we came to the show to present our portfolio, mainly the holistic collagen called Peptan, but also introduce our new product called Nextida GC, which is the first in line in this new portfolio of targeted nutrition using collagen peptide to activate signaling pathway for health and wellness.
Brilliant. Yeah. So how does it answer consumer demands that you're seeing at the moment?
Consumer demand for collagen is rising. So Rousselot has been a leader for several years presenting high quality collagen, but we wanted to be a little bit more differentiated by presenting novel collagen peptides that are characterized with specific signature to elicit a desired health outcome. So the market is growing and we want to be ahead of the trend by developing and innovating with new products to support consumer demands.
Yeah. And how has consumer reception been at the show this year?
Oh, this year it's been a good opportunity to connect with customers, not just with our core customer base who are coming to see how we are innovating and progressing, but also brings opportunities for new customers, for people who want to know more about collagen in general, but also know more about our new offering, the Nextida GC, for example. And we have samples here that we are giving away for people to try, and I think it attracted quite a bit of attention from several customers, and we are pretty happy about it.
Yeah. Brilliant. Now, what would you say is the main thing that people should know about Nextida and choose it over other forms of collagen?
Yeah, Nextida, the work that we did with Nextida GC is that it shows that not all collagen peptide composition are the same. And we've done a science-based research to determine what makes our collagen different from other collagens. And this has been done by design in order to let people know that collagen can provide functional bioactives. They can provide functional peptides that are absorbed in the bloodstream and that can target specific organs or specific health benefits. So what we want to highlight here for collagen, especially for Nextida GC, is that we are producing a high quality targeted bioactive peptides. And that bioactive peptide is a composition of several dipeptide, tripeptides, or that have a very specific peptide signature that can have a specific goal and that target a specific pathway. So here we are getting into what we can call targeted nutrition, and for the first time we are showing that a collagen peptide can play that role.
Okay, so what's particular about the Nextida GC and how it can interact with GLP-1 and other weight loss medications?
So thank you, that's a great question, because Nextida GC is the first iteration of that platform, and we designed it in order to selectively activate GLP-1 secretion in a cell line assay. So that's how we discovered the Nextida GC peptide composition. It can elicit GLP-1 secretion in cells, in a mouse model, as well as in a human clinical trial. So that activation of GLP-1 can elicit a better metabolic response when people are taking a carbohydrate-rich meal. So what we have found in our clinical study is that taking Nextida GC before your meal can substantially reduce your glycemic response by more than 40%, which we think is physiologically relevant to help people maintain a healthier metabolic flexibility.
And are you seeing much uptake from consumers who are using GLP-1 at the moment?
I think sometimes the best example is your own experience. So What we do is that we make a product, but we are the first one to test it. As scientists and in the team, we have had colleagues taking Nextida GC and following their blood glucose level variation using a continuous glucose monitoring. So from first-hand experience, we have shown that internally, using Nextida GC can really lower our response to glucose intake, which is a very good indication of a better glycemic control. But as a company, we are conducting placebo-controlled, double-blinded clinical trials to see the efficacy of these products in the customers, whether it's going to be in healthy individual or people who are a little bit more challenged in their glycemic response, in order to bring the glycemic response to the healthy levels.
Brilliant. Thank you.